These answers have been taken from different internet websites and books from different authors. So we are not the owner of these answers. Hello guys, today we will discuss about 20 important basic questions of stress biology. And here is the first question, question number 1. Write two important effects of water stress on root. As the severity of water stress increased, root growth was prolific in all the soil segments. As a result, water in the lower soil segment was used to maintain plant temperature, which in turn sustains the leaf and root growth during the water stress treatment. Question number 2. What do you mean by halophytes? Halophytes is a plant adapted to growing in saline conditions as in a salt marsh. Number 3. What is photoinhibition? Photoinhibition of photosynthesis is defined as a persistent decrease in the efficiency of solar energy conversion into photosynthesis in combination with a decreased overall capacity for photosynthesis. Chill stress. Plants are submitted to a chilling stress when exposed to low non-freezing temperatures. Chilling is not perceived by a single mechanism in plants but at different sensory levels that are the very biological processes distributed by the temperature downshift. One specific chilling stress is transducer. Question number 5. What is signal transduction? Signal transduction is also known as cell signaling, is the transmission of molecular signals from a cell's exterior to its interior. Yes, here is the question number 6. What are the sites of production of reactive oxygen species in the plant cell? Sites of ROS production in plant cells. The ROS is being produced under both normal and stressful conditions at various locations in the chloroplast, mitochondria, peroxisomes, plasma membranes, endoplasmic reticulum and the cell wall. And the question number 7 is, what do you mean by Cranch anatomy? It is very important, note that question. Cranch anatomy is a special structure in the leaves of C4 plants where the tissue equivalent to spongy mesophyll cells is clustered in a ring around the leaf veins outside the bundle sheath cells. Question number 8. What is phospholipid? A lipid containing a phosphate group in its molecule is known as phospholipid, for example phosphatidycholine. What do you mean by Scijoneous parenchyma? Scijoneous parenchyma is formed by the creation of gas spaces between cells as a result of cell separation and expansion of existing spaces by differential cell division and or cell expansion in particular directions. As also I skipped one of this question for you. Name the enzyme responsible for oxidative stress control. Write difference between stress tolerance and avoidance. Plant copes with stresses like drought either by stress avoidance or stress tolerance, where stress avoidance is referred to as the plant's ability to minimize the adverse effect and tolerance as the capacity to endure unfavorable conditions. Question number 12. What is cellular dehydration? Excessive loss of water from the body or from an organ or body part as from illness or fluid deprivation is known as cellular dehydration. Question number 13. Name the stress factors responsible for closure of stomata. Abscisic acid ABA is a stress hormone that accumulates under different abiotic and biotic stresses. A typical effect of ABA on leaves is to reduce transpirational water loss by cloning stomata and parallelly defend against microbes by restricting their entry through stomatal pores. Here is the question number 14. What are plant responses to stress? Stress in plants refers to external conditions that adversely affects growth, development or productivity of plants. Stresses trigger a wide range of plant responses like alternate gene expression, cellular metabolism, changes in growth rates, crop yields, etc. Here is the question number 15. Name the factors causing environmental stress in plants. Either directly or indirectly, most plant problems are caused by environmental stress. Environmental factors that affect plant growth include light, temperature, water, humidity, and nutrition. It is important to understand how these factors affect plant growth and development. Question number 16. Name the reactive oxygen species. ROS. ROS are highly reactive chemical molecules formed due to the electron receptivity of oxygen. Examples of ROS include peroxides, superoxide, hydroxyl radical, singlet oxygen, and alpha oxygen. What role is played by nitric oxide during plant stress? Nitric oxide regulates plant responses to abiotic stresses. Nitric oxide protects plant from oxidative damage via antioxidant and ROS scavenging activity. Nitric oxide mediated post-translational modifications play a role key in plant responses to biotic and abiotic stresses. What is the full form of SAR? It is very important question, as very easy question. So I skipped these questions. This one question for you. Answer me in the comment box. Question number 19. What are the advantages of parenchyma developed in plant? Plant parenchyma cells make up the bulk of leaves, flowers, and the growing, dividing inner parts of stems and roots. They perform functions such as photosynthesis, food storage, sap secretion, and gas exchange. What type of stress produces seed shock protein? HSK. So type of seed shock proteins are described here, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for never miss an update from my channel. Thank you. Meet you soon.